The first thing that you missed is on number 3, and this chart was not on the right page because there were extra spaces. So turn on your show hide so you can see that, and press delete to delete some of these extra spaces, or you may have to do backspace, but you need to get rid of those. And some of these are some page breaks that should not be there, or section breaks that should not be there. Okay, the next thing are the section breaks. And that was number 10. So place the insertion point before the content heading. And insert a next page section break so that the title page is the only page in section 1. And it looks like you have 2 content pages. You've got the one here that should be there, and then you've got an additional one here. So let's delete this one. Okay, and we need the section break, not continuous. So we need a next page, and we'll go to layout and breaks. And next page so that content is by itself on the next page. Okay, then we also keep the next section break you just created and the next section break after the table of figures. But delete all other section breaks. Okay, so we also need a break here, but just a page break. Okay, so everything's on a separate page now. And then scroll through and be sure that there are no more section breaks. So this one needs to go away as well. Okay, the next thing missed had to do with the headers in instruction 12. And the first page header is turned off, so that is correct. This should have started with an I. So format your page numbers and start that with the letter I. Click OK. So it's I and then 2. This one is a new section. So it should not be same as previous. So be sure you unlink that. Just click on it and it will unlink it. And then also format that page number so it starts with 1. So really just 2 things there. The first one was that you needed to format the I's, the small Roman numerals. So on this one, you needed to go up to page number, format, page number, and choose to start at. And then the next thing was that where you're going to start with your normal numbering, that needs to be unlinked to the previous section, and then it needs to be formatted for a 1. Okay, on the next one, I think it'll fix itself. It says something's wrong with the index, but because the page numbering was off, I think that's what it's looking at. So the last one, we need to update all these fields. So click in the field, right click, and choose to update the field. And it looks like it did. Well, it didn't fix all of them. So let's do this. Let's take it out. And let's insert it again and see if that fixes it. So references, and we're doing an index, and we're going to insert it. And okay. That actually did fix that, so it didn't need page numbers on these. Okay, so then go up to the other one with a field, which is list of figures. Click in it, right click and choose update field and update the entire table and click OK. And then your contents, click in it, right click, update field, and there it is. And be sure that you remove any extra returns, like there's one extra return there that should not be there. And then save it and upload it.